represent?
Solar system.
Oh, good. Well, would you like to expound on that?
Okay. It's the letters from the planets.
Can you talk a little louder, please?
It's the letters from the planets.
Okay, each letter represents a planet, and this is the order in which the planets come. And basically, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and so on. And to remember this as children, we were like, my very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. Good job, Mitchella. Well, Troy, isn't it nice of you to join us? Just please take a seat.
How you doing, Miss Lewis?
Fine. And we were just discussing mnemonic devices. And can you name another mnemonic device for us?
Roy G. Biv.
Okay, Roy G. Biv. Can anyone tell me what this stands for? Courtney?
The colors of the rainbow?
Exactly. Roy G. Biv is another mnemonic device used to tell us the sequence of the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Well, today in math, we're going to be learning another mnemonic device. Does anyone know what mnemonic is, by the way?
I know.
Elaine?
It's when you use letters to sound for what it means, something like that.
Oh, not exactly, but you got the idea. It can be a learning device that you use to remember sequence of things or anything for that matter. And today we're learning another one. Would anyone happen to have any clue what this is?
I know this one.
Okay.
I know this math.
Okay.
It's PEMDAS.
What does it stand for?
It's the way you gotta do the problem.
Okay. Order of operations. And an operation is anything that tells you what to do in the problem. Anything that's not a number. You can say like adding, subtracting, multiplying, etc. And this mnemonic device, I remember it by please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And the P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
So how does this help you?
Wonderful question.
Can you write that down, please? What it stands for?
We're going to use this to solve various expressions using order of operations. And Courtney, since you asked, using what we just learned here, what can you tell me about this problem? What would you solve first?
Well, PEMDAS stands for the different operations, right?
Yes.
And that's the order in which you would do it, right?
Yes.
So I would say 3 times 5.
Okay. And that equals?
15.
And then?
17.
Exactly. Well, this is a simple version of what you might encounter, but later on you'll be solving harder problems. And would anyone like to come up to solve a problem?
I think Troy would like to solve a problem. Oh, can we make it like a competition?
Oh, we might do that later on in class. But since you mentioned you, Troy, and since you were kind of late, I'd like to pick on you. Okay, solve this problem. And tell us what you're doing as you're doing it.
Well, since it's in the parentheses first, because it's parentheses, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna add that together and get 5.
Okay.
And then it's still gotta bring this down.
Okay.
What does the E stand for?
Exponents.
Okay, that's the X one, right?
Yes.
So, oh, I got it. 25 minus 3 plus 2.
Okay.
So, um, um,
Elaine? Wait, hold on. Elaine, you have a question?
No, I was just going to say the answer.
Elaine, you'll have your turn. Just wait.
it's 24.
Good job, Troy. Okay, all of that was not called for. But now that we basically went over what we'd be doing today in class, I have a set of problems for you guys to work out. And you will do these individually, and later on in class, we'll solve them all together. So take out a clean sheet of paper, please, so you can start these problems. Can you guys see that okay?
Yes.
Any questions?